Okay, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. Just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. It's been a strange all year. Oh, I'll just get my tree in. It's been a strange all year, hasn't it? But I just want to thank all of my wonderful subscribers for, just being around. I've really enjoyed this year as far as YouTube goes because I've met some wonderful people. Yes, okay, it's only been online and things like that, but you really are like family to me. And I hope you've been good. And if you're good, Father Christmas will be good to you. Oh, there's my cake. I've took it out and it's waiting. It's waiting. It's waiting to be cut. I'll probably cut it tomorrow. And I'll do a video actually of showing you me cut the cake because I know so many of you said, can you cut your cake? And I always put off that question because this is my cake. I don't make cake videos just to put content on my channel. When you see me making my Christmas cake, and this is my naked Christmas cake, this cake will be for me and I will eat it at Christmas, which I will be doing. So I might do a little video showing you how I've made this cake. But just talking about YouTube, I'm going to have a couple of days off, and I'm sure you're going to all be with your family, So I'm going to take a couple of days off, but I will be making some videos come the week commencing next Monday. I'm babbling now. I don't know when I'll be uploading, but I'll probably be uploading a couple of tutorials. One being, I'm going to use that black treacle that we've been using for our cakes and a little bit of that golden syrup because I'm going to make it's pretty traditional for me. It's a good old ginger cake. And it's ideal to use that black treacle up and also the golden syrup. Plus, it's just a really nice cake. It's a little bit grown up, it's pretty sensible. It's a sensible cake, but it's Christmassy too, I think. So, long story short, a big thank you to all my subscribers, old and new. And I hope you have a magical time at Christmas, whether you've made my Christmas cake or not. And I will speak to you very soon. Have a great Christmas Day and Boxing Day. Always a favourite of mine. I don't do a lot of cooking on Boxing Day, I have to say. It's pick. And I don't really. I usually have bubble and squeak if there's any leftovers from the Christmas dinner. What do you do? What do you have on Boxing Day? I'm interested because I love food. Well, thanks for your time, everybody. I hope those who have made their Christmas cakes enjoy them. And please, look, I'm on Instagram, Mystery Baker 3, I think. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm Mystery Baker something. I can't even promote my channel, can I? Can't even promote my Instagram. I'm not really big into that. It's my personal page. I put personal things on it. It's nothing fancy. But, message me on there. I am on Facebook, Mystery Baker 3, I think, all one word. And you can find me. Message me what you thought of your cake. And I'm still getting lovely photographs of people's cakes as well. Absolutely magical. Absolutely. They're some fantastic cakes. And that wasn't about sending me their cakes to get on to the video. These are people who have said, look, I've missed the video, but here's my cake. I love seeing Christmas cakes. And it's something I'm going to do every year. How's about that? So if we can work on during the year our caking skills, I'm sure by next year, who knows? Something pretty magical can happen. Well, thanks for your time, everybody. Merry Christmas.